As a vehicle, rickshaw was established in Japan. Initially, it was a two-wheeler vehicle and it used to call Tana rickshaw. When and who had invented rickshaw is not clear. Some people claimed an American missionary named Jonathan Skobik had invented it in Japan to carry his disabled wife Yokohama. Some told Izumi Yosuke and Suzuki Tokuziro invented rickshaw in 1868. They were inspired by the horse cart of that time. In India, the first rickshaw was noticed in Shimla in 1880. Around the year 1900, it was shown in Kolkata. Rickshaw was first shown in Dhaka around 1930s. Cycle rickshaw is the modernized form of Tana rickshaw that came to Chittagong in Bangladesh in 1919. In Netrokona and Narayanganj, rickshaw started using by the jute exporters in mid-30s. As a public vehicle, rickshaw was used only after the partition of Indian subcontinent. In the beginning, the rickshaw owners were the main rickshaw makers. They used to work with blacksmiths, carpenters and many others to make the whole body of the rickshaw. In the early days, rickshaw had no decoration at all. During 1950s, very simple and limited decoration was shown in Dhaka city. Sunil was one of the artists from that period. The main rickshaw maker used to decorate the rickshaw along with his followers. Jalal, Rajab, Awal were the well-known artists of that time. Chanda was one of the important rickshaw makers who used to make the most decorative hood of the rickshaws. Barochan's design on hood is still popular for its vibrant color. To decorate hood, very colorful resin are used to cut into pieces of moon, star, flowers, plants and so on. Later on, board painting on the back of the rickshaw became the most important part of the rickshaw decoration. Contemporary movie actors and actresses, famous architectures, historical places, fantasy, religious stories, landscape, nature, animal, political personalities are the subject matters of board painting. Most of the elements of the paintings are influenced by the illustration of children's book, calendar, poster, and so on. The 30 into 12 inch board is normally made by tin and enamel paint or press ink are used as the medium of painting. Sometimes rickshaw painters represent their own style by drawing Taj Mahal on lotus, Animals Tea Party, Tiger's Workshop, Animal City and many others. They also draw the important architectures of the city such as Cardian Hall, Asan Manjil, High Court, Bahadur Shah Park, Baitul Mukarram, and so on. Religious subjects such as Radha Krishna, stories from Ramayana, female-headed Borak became very popular. Sometimes, while a composition or a story get famous, that considers as a reference for all time. There is a very famous political rickshaw painting in which Indira Gandhi and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's portraits are presented, and the war of 1971 is drawn on the background of the painting. International political figures like George W. Bush, Saddam Hussein, Osama bin Laden, and war images such as Iraq War or Twin Towers are also much shown as subject matters. R.K. Das is one of the leading artists of rickshaw painting.
তো ওটা করতাম এরপরে আমাদের বাংলাদেশে কিছু ছবি যখন আরম্ভ হইল ফিল্ম তখন বাংলাদেশে ফিল্মের ছবিও কিছু কিছু করছি যখন মানে আসলো না ৭১ ওয়ার আরম্ভ হইল স্বাধীনের এই স্বাধীনের মানে মুক্তিযুদ্ধের মানে কিছু কাহিনী
There was an unwritten censorship enforced by the government during mid-70s in drawing human figure. The paintings with human figures are overlapped by black paints by the authority. Therefore, to handle this situation, rickshaw owners used to ask the painters to draw only birds, floral patterns or landscapes on the board. But eventually, this situation was recovered and rickshaw painters got their freedom back. Prashanto, the elder son of R.K. Das.
থেকে প্রায় এই 25 বছর হয়ে যাবে আর কি কাজের লাইফ বংশাল মার্কেটে কাজ দিই ওখান থেকে কাজ আমাদের দেয় আমরা কাজ করে এনে দেওয়া ওখানে থেকে আমরা কী করি মালটা এই ভ্যাকসিন প্লাস্টিক ওখান থেকে দেয় আমাদের আমরা শুধু ওখানে কাজ করে মজুরিটা শুধু আমরা পাই
Another son of R.K. Das. D.C. Das, along with his family, is living at Pargandaria, the other side of Buriganga River. The entire family of D.C. Das is engaged with rickshaw painting. Brother of D.C. Das, P.C. Das, the younger brother of D.C. Das. Topon Das, son of D.C. Das.
আমি 1970 সনে না 1965 মানে একটা রিক্সার পিছনে মানে আর্ট দেখলাম ওটা দেখে আমি চিন্তা করলাম যে এরকম আর্ট দেখে আমি করা যায় কিনা তারপরে ঘরে বসে ওই যে আপনার ওই কয়লা আছে না কয়লা দিয়ে মানে পেন্টিং করতাম কয়লা দিয়ে করতে করতে এরপরে আমি আমার এক কষাই তুলে নিল তখন আলিনুরা ছিল আলিনুর কাজ করতো মানে এই বড় কাজ করতো, আমার ছোট কাজ দিত। এরপর ওখানে অনেকদিন কাজ করলাম।
Ruma, the daughter of well-known artist late Alauddin, she learned from her father. Although nowadays she is no more in this art scenario. Artist late Alinur's daughter Nasima also has been staying in the same area. She is the only practicing female artist of rickshaws.
আপনার নাম আলিনুর, আলিনুরের কাছ থেকে কাজ শিখছি। তখন আপনার তখন থাকতাম কদমতলি বাড়িতে। আচ্ছা, কদমতলি বাড়িতে। তারপরে আপনার আব্বা তো অনেক ছবি আছে। দেখো, উনি তো বাস ট্রাক হইতে বিভিন্ন ধরনের কাজ জানে আমার আব্বা। এমন ধরেন ওই এক্সিবিশনে তো কত প্রকার কাজ করছে। এমন ওই যে একটা আনন্দ কাজ করছে, ওই কোন জায়গাতে ওই আনন্দ কাজ করে এরপরের থেকে কিন্তু ওই যে সিংহপুরের থেকে লোক এসেছিল। তারপরে থেকে মনে করেন আপনারা তারপর থেকে আর কি আপনারা আরো আসছে। আমার রিস্কার যারা ওরা বান্ধা আছে। উনি কিনের কাজ করেন। ছেলে মেয়ে পড়াশোনা করে। এমনি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় না ছবি না, এমনি আমার কোনো অসুবিধা হয় না। সব সকালে ভোরে রান্না করি, তারপরে সারাদিন কাজ।
The religious and mental states of the locality can also be shown through rickshaws. Because of the religious attitude, human figure is absent in the rickshaw paintings of Chittagong. Rickshaw art do not only make the city colorful and joyful, but also reflect many things that are happening around the country and the globe.